Communicating and collaborating in a diverse community has always been problematic for us humans, but in the 21st century, we have the added complication of figuring out how it is we communicate with and through machines. The book is a great example. When the digital book first came along, objections to it came more as emotional and relational than anything empirical or scientific. I just like the way they smell, or I can't focus without a physical book in my hand. Books, though, are something we spend time with, artifacts we use to engage in the elements of the consciousness of others. Even when we revisit a book we've already finished, we sometimes find something new we hadn't noticed before, as if the author is responding to our response, which sounds a lot more like a conversation. I don't think it's out of the question to suggest technology seems to get in the way of that at first because we simply didn't understand the ways in which we could use it, or more specifically, how we communicate and interact with the medium itself. I imagine for many it's not much more than a heady intellectual exercise to consider how a pastry toaster or a smart car like a Tesla regards me or itself. However, it gets much more interesting and chilling when we consider the aggression and violence we embed and project into technology.
Bear Claw, tell us a joke.
Why did the robot cross the road? To kill all the humans.
As ruthless as we can be with each other, we hold back even less with machines. What's concerning is when we bring this third member into our interactions with each other, even weaponizing them, a beast with a spear, or using them like a substance, an addict to the swim. If artificial intelligence has made it difficult to distinguish between a sentient human and a machine, how does that machine regard us? What might be more disturbing and closer than we might be comfortable imagining is how the machine would regard itself. But now I'm wandering away from my discipline and into territory even experts can't seem to predict. What we can change, though, is how we communicate with each other, and we can deepen our understanding of what drives our inclination to communicate in the first place. Maybe then we'll also learn how to more ethically integrate this third machine member of the conversation.
Algorithms are opinions embedded in code.